You're gonna boil your beetroot for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna add some frozen bananas that I had for like sweetness. And instead of adding like sugar, and I don't have honey, so I'm gonna add these bananas and hopefully they can make it have a little bit of sweetness to it. For ginger, I'm gonna add this ginger turmeric tea mix that I had. I have more, so I bought the honey one, ginger with honey. So I'm gonna use this and this piece of ginger here because I don't want it to be too strong of ginger, but we'll just do it to taste. So if it needs more, we add more. And we also have some lemon juice that we're also going to put to taste.